Today in this video, we're going to be diving into the world of sweet potato slips. I'm going to be going over some fast and easy steps to help grow them successfully. Let's get started. Welcome to Kitchen Garden Farmhouse. There are so many different wonderful varieties of sweet potatoes to choose from. Just choose one that you like and also that grows well in your climate and that you have enough growing season for it to come to maturity before the fall and cold weather sets in. Step one is to buy some organic sweet potatoes. You can get this at your local grocery store or a health food store. The next thing to do is to consider what type of container will you need to grow your sweet potato slips in. There's a lot of options. If you're only going to grow a few, a small bucket like this will work fine. Just put your holes in it around the sides, and this one here will easily hold 3 potatoes to grow your slips in. Another option would be just a regular plant nursery pot. Of course, this already has the holes in it. You can put anywhere between 3 to 4 potatoes in this one here, depending on how big they are. Or if you want to grow a lot of sweet potato slips, then getting something like this will work really good. This will hold anywhere from 10 to 14 sweet potatoes to grow your slips in. And once again, all you have to do is just drill your holes into the side and you'll be ready to go. Okay, the next thing to do is to get your potting mix. Most of the potting mixes already has a little bit of fertilizers mixed into it. So depending on what size container you're going to be using, just fill it up with your potting mix. Step 4 is to plant your sweet potatoes. And you just dig a hole. This has always worked very well for me, this technique that I'm showing you here. Now you can plant them close together and you can have more sweet potatoes. This container here will hold a lot of sweet potatoes. But if you got the little buckets, all you need is about 2. And then I completely covered the potatoes completely up. Step 5 is to water it really well. So just make sure that you keep your soil moist at all times, and before you know it, you will begin to see little sprouts coming up. It doesn't take long. To take care of your sweet potato vines and to maintain them, I would recommend about every 2 weeks when you're watering, just to add a little bit of all-purpose plant food. This right here is from Dr. Earth. It's organic and it has NPK of 111. Okay, so I'm back with an update. As you continue to water your sweet potato vines and give them a little bit of nutrition, like the liquid fertilizer as you go along, it could be any kind of plant food of your choice, your sweet potato vines are going to sprout and grow, and the warm weather also will make them grow faster. Just a couple potatoes can give you a lot of sweet potato vines, which will go into your sweet potato slips. And so as they continue to grow and they get big enough, when you harvest these, the potatoes in the soil here will continue to form more vines as time goes on. If you have found value in this video, please take a moment to subscribe if you have not done so already, and give a thumbs up and a comment would be greatly appreciated. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.